In my journey to financial freedom, I have a very nice story for you. But first we will walk to the harbor right there. Actually, I'm here today in a place which is restricted. I'm not allowed to be here. I just dropped in because I think it's a very beautiful place. Today, on the path to financial freedom, I wanted to tell you guys about my rental. This rental is quite passive, right? I earn 1,570 euro a month, and I don't need to do anything for it. And I think the reason I don't need to do anything for this is because I did some pre-planning. I made this rental in such a way that, well, they can hardly break something, right? So I don't need to go there and fix stuff. I do have a company that can fix stuff for me, but to be honest, I do it myself. And to be honest, in this last 3 years, I'm renting this house. I've been there just once. But let me tell you how I managed to find such a good tenant. Basically, the company that was supposed to arrange all of this for me, they were too late, right? They came too late to the guest viewing, and therefore, yeah, I had to do it myself. But at the end, that was really the best thing that could happen, right? Because I was able to choose my tenant myself. I chose this software developer, was alone, no children, and I was like, hey, if I choose this guy, he for sure going to treat my house very well. So I'm very happy with that. There was even a platform where users were bidding more money for my property, but I decided to choose this one anyway because. Yeah, he felt safe. I knew he would not destroy my property, and I wouldn't get a headache. So the lesson I want to give today: if you have tenants, you have guest viewing, just make sure you always go there to see the people themselves, right? So I decided not to choose for the most money, but I decided to choose the one that I think that will not give me a headache and keep my property safe. After 1 or 2 years, I went there to fix a bulb. I mean, in 2 years, I had to do something. And you know, it's funny. I came in that house and I see that the property is exactly the same. Even a small pen that I put under the fridge to keep the fridge soundproof, right? It made some noise, and I didn't know how to fix it. I just put the pen there. Even the pen was still there. So I think having a tenant like this is really great. Building true freedom isn't about getting rich quick, right? It's about building real assets, smart system, and income streams so you can escape the 9 to 5 and buy back your time. If you're building your own path to independence, hit subscribe, join the journey, and I'll see you in the next one.